We love debate!
So in debate, we have two different ways to talk about the end result of things. So the AF talks about their harms, which are things that they claim to solve that are bad. The neg reads a disadvantage that ends in an impact, which is another thing that's bad that the DA is an attempt to discuss. So in a debate round, we need to compare these two things because the judge will vote for the team whose harms outweigh the impact or impact outweigh the harms. So in debate, you want to try to convince the judge that your side is more important. We have a pretty good way to talk about this. There's a good acronym to remember how to do it by. It's called Mr. T. So when you're doing this, when you're in the debate round and you're discussing your impacts, you want to talk about the magnitude, which is just the size of the impact. So if your impact is nuclear war, you'd say the impact is huge and everyone dies, or something to that effect. Risk is all about chance. So while magnitude is like size, risk talks about the probability of an impact happening. So if the impact is nuclear war, that may not be as likely as you'd want to think it is in a debate round. But something like food injustice might be really likely because it's observable and we can tell that it's ongoing. However, while I admitted that nuclear war probably has a low risk, in debate, you always want to say why the risk is high. So for a nuclear war, you can say, we're on the brink of a nuclear war because there are tensions. Russia and China and the US are already getting heated about things like the election and stuff. So it proves that, we could go in a conflict very soon. So that's what risk is all about. And the last one is time frame. And time frame is all about speed, or how fast something occurs. Because if your nuclear war happens before the results of food injustice begin to be felt, then all of a sudden nuclear war is more important, right? Because we're all dead, then no one can have food injustice. So just to go over it again, magnitude is size. Risk is chance or probability. And time frame is speed. That's Mr. T.